muna natin yung bago kuha natin yung skin. Prime skin. Angas boy. Angas.
Our cosmic blaze will never be extinguished!
Grabe naman yan, idol. Ano talagang dito dito? Ito natin. Ano yun? Angas naman yung mga idol. Let's check the skill effects, yung basic attack, tapos yung skill effects. Yan natin. Kung gaano kalupit.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Angas oh. Angas boy. Maglalagay tayo ng Layla syempre. Tsaka muna sa gitna.
Listen to that fire burning within you!
Bot. Tapos sa mapa.
I'd rather burn
Try
out
muna natin
than
yung
slowly fade away.
yung basic attack. Ay hindi, lagyan na tayo ng
We're going to the top! We're going to the top! What good is glory if not earned?
Angas boy.
I was just getting fired
Angas.
up.
Oh,
Double kill.
ito pa lang oh.
That lit a fire under you.
First kill. Uy,
Feel the heat.
nag-iiba yung kulay ng pakpak niya nagiging purple. Pink purple pa yan. Angas. Second skill.
I was just getting fired up.
Double kill.
Time to shine, Dexter.
Triple kill.
Angas.
I was just getting
Third
fired
skill,
up.
third skill. And third skill. 1, 2, 3, go. Angas.
Double kill. Maniac.
Sunod.
Savage. Wiped out.
Burn with
Sunod.
passion and always dare to shine.
Combo. Angas.
Maniac. Savage. Savage.
Angas boy, sulit na sulit.
Do it.
Sulit na sulit yung skin na to. Hindi ka talo. Oh. Parang eh. Angas boy.
Put your heart into it.
Angas.
Savage.
Ayan ito mag-lord.
Savage.
Lord tayo, Lord.
That lit a fire under you. It's our turn.
Ally has slain Lord.
Angas.
Triple kill. Maniac. Savage. Wiped out.
Angas boss. Angas, grabe. Sabay, laki na mukha ako mo, hamburger.
One spark is all it takes.
Triple
Heart
kill.
into it.
Maniac.
Grabe.
Savage.
Yun lang po for today's video. Tinignan lang natin yung skill effects nito ni
Everyone
Claude.
has their own competitive spark.
Overall rating, may rate ko to lang 10/10. Angas. Yun lang.